this paper, The Effective Interventions for Adolescent Substance Abusers, is my final paper. My final grad school paper. My final paper ever. This paper has been the bane of my existence for the last 6 days. It's been the thing that haunts my thoughts during the day and my dreams at night. And I'm finally done with it. 24 pages. I'm done. So the only thing to do now is to torch this. This is what I think of this paper. I just want it out of my life forever. If it doesn't light, I'm not going to be happy. Ah! Burn!
Turn at the bottom.
It's probably a better idea.
Duh.
Okay, Mom. Come on. Oh, this is getting big. This is my celebration by fire. I'm done. Dad was freaking out because I wasted ink to just burn this, Mom. Did you hear him? He's like, save that. That's good ink.
Yeah, like you're going to squeeze it out of the paper and use it again?
No. How do I put this out?
Ah, now you step on it.
Well, I want to watch it burn.
I hope this is getting it even upside down like this.
Don't turn it upside down, Mom.
Oh. Well.
Well, that looks pretty cool. Look at that chemical.
Great. You're burning my carrot.
Well, I don't know how to stop it now.
I do. Get a glass.